Remember the checkerboard program you wrote in the last chapter? Well, your assignment now is to write another checkerboard program, but with some differences. For one thing, all dark squares are to be made from an image that you've loaded from disk and rescaled to fit the size of the square. The overall size of the checkerboard is to be 8 by 8. That is, you need to display the same picture over and over again for a total of 32 times, so half the squares in the checkerboard show the image. You can use any image file you like because the method that scales the size of the image will expand it and contract it to fit whatever size you specify. The program you write will have the name of an image file built into it, but if you specify the name of an image file on the command line, it will be used instead of the one that is built into the program as the default. A title of some sort, the name of the program, the name of the image file, or both, appears on the bar at the top of the frame of the window. The method of the frame class that does this is called setTitle. The default is for no title to appear, but any string you specify in the argument to this method will appear on the bar at the top of the window. The frame class also has a method that you can call to prevent the user from resizing the window. Calling the method setResizable with the argument of false will fix the window's size and not allow it to be altered. The default is to allow the user to resize the window. Well, that's it. You should have everything you need to write this program. The only things that are new are the ones listed on the screen right now. To make myself perfectly clear about what I mean for this assignment, let me show you the output of the program that I wrote to do this very thing. And there it is. I used the blue marble PNG for each of the images, scaled to 64 by 64. The overall size of the window is 512 by 512, and that gives me an 8 by 8 grid of 64 blocks. Notice at the top of the window, in the bar, there is a title that includes the name of the program and the name of the image file being used. Now this program will accept another image file on the command line like this. And there we have the same program, but with a different image file. In the next lesson, I'm going to show you the source code of this program and exactly how this was achieved.